Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make MP4 live wallpapers on Windows 11. So as you can see here, I currently already have one set up. It's a short video of a car drifting. If you want to get started and make your own MP4 live wallpaper, the first thing you're going to want to do is to download a program called Lively Wallpaper. So you can find Lively Wallpaper on the Microsoft Store. So go ahead and open your Start menu, type in Microsoft Store, and open it up. Once you're here, there's going to be a search bar at the top. Go ahead and click that and type in Lively Wallpaper. So I already have it in my search history over here. And go ahead and click on the first result. So just to make sure you don't get it mixed up with another program, this is the one by Rox Danister, and it is most likely the first result that you're going to see. So go ahead and click on download and install. Once that's done and you click on open, it should show you this interface. And here you're going to be able to see all the wallpapers that are available. It comes bundled with a few already. So you can choose one of those if you'd like, or you can also add your own. So to add your own MP4 live wallpapers, simply click on the plus button here at the top right of your screen and click on choose a file. So there's going to be a Windows Explorer window that opens up, and you can use this to navigate to the video you'd like to set as your wallpaper. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this one. Going to click upload or open, sorry. And here you're going to be able to name your wallpaper as well as give it a description and some other tags. So I'm just going to name this woman running slow motion 2, and I'm going to click on OK. So it's going to take just a few seconds to load into your library. And once that's done, it should show up. So as you can see, it's been added here at the bottom of my library. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that just to make sure that I have it active. And if we go back to our desktop, as you can see, it has changed to what we set it to. So it's really quick, really easy. It takes the customizability and personalization of your personal computer to a whole other level. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.